Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am showing a golden yellow coconuts. So often referred to as a king of coconuts in the part of South India. Are they prized for their natural sweet, nutrient-rich water and vibrant golden husk. They are also considered one of the healthiest coconut varieties, especially for the hydration and minerals intake. So you can see I am holding a baby coconut. The coconut tree is very short, so I can pluck it by my hand, so it is not possible. So better I use a sickle to cut the coconut. Cut the coconut with a clean sickle. Open the top. And make the hole in the center. You can see the water inside the hole, so it's a very refreshing water and it is very tasty to drink the yellow coconut water.